Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, and slightly less than 1/1000th the mass of the Sun. Jupiter is the third brightest natural object in the Earth's night sky after the Moon and Venus, and it has been observed since prehistoric times. It was named after Jupiter, the chief deity of ancient Roman religion. Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen, 90% by volume, followed by helium, which constitutes a quarter of its mass and a tenth of its volume. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and has an intricate ring system. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and the second most massive planet in the solar system, at 95 times the Earth's mass. With 96% of the planet is made out of lightweight hydrogen, Saturn is also the least dense planet in the solar system. The planet's yellowish atmosphere is composed of intricate but usually bland-looking bands. Occasionally, oval-shaped storms would trail across Saturn's atmosphere, the biggest of which are the periodic great white spots. Its north pole contains a persisting hexagonal storm that currently does not have a definite explanation for its existence. Saturn has a magnetosphere with a strength comparable to Earth's and is the reason for the auroras in its outer atmosphere. Saturn is classified as a gas giant. It is thought to have a rocky core, with a temperature of 11,700 degrees Celsius or 21,100 degrees Fahrenheit, surrounded by metallic hydrogen, an intermediate layer of liquid hydrogen and helium, and a gaseous outer atmosphere. Inside the atmosphere are stacked cloud layers, made out of ammonia, water, and ammonium hydrosulfide ice. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is a gaseous cyanide giant. Most of Uranus is made out of water, ammonia, and methane in a supercritical phase of matter, which in astronomy is called ice or volatiles. The planet's atmosphere has a complex layered cloud structure and has the lowest minimum temperature of 49 kelvins, minus 224 degrees Celsius, minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, out of all solar system's planets. Uranus has a marked axial tilt of 97.8 degrees with a retrograde rotation rate of 17 hours. This means that in an 84 Earth years orbital period around the Sun, its poles get around 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of continuous darkness. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and the farthest known planet in the solar system. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of Earth, and slightly more massive than its near-twin Uranus. Neptune is denser and physically smaller than Uranus because its greater mass causes more gravitational compression of its atmosphere. Being composed primarily of gases and liquids, it has no well-defined solid surface. The planet orbits the Sun once every 164.8 years at an average distance of 30.1 astronomical units, 4.5 billion kilometers, 2.8 billion miles. It is named after the Roman god of the sea and has the astronomical symbol, representing Neptune's trident.